Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today this is another mining rig update. I'm on my floor now in my other bedroom. Had to move this out because it was getting way too hot to sleep at all. But yeah, so today I'm going to be kind of just cleaning this up a bit. These get dusty after a while, so you just need to dust them pretty much for maintenance. And one cool thing is it's my birthday today, so kind of a shitty one if I'm gonna be honest, but yeah, this finally mined one full Ethereum coin, which is pretty awesome. You can check out the stats for this in the description down below. But what we're gonna do before we clean this is we have to shut it down. So I have my laptop here and we're just gonna remotely shut it down. So I don't know if you can see this, but I have shutdown selected. So we're just gonna go ahead and power off the mining rig and wait for that to go through. So once this powers down, there we go. Now we can start unplugging everything. If you want to be able to control your mining rig remotely like that, you can check out my video somewhere up there. It explains how to set that up, and I also have a referral link if you guys want to use that. But yeah, let's go ahead and start pulling cards out, and then I'll plug in my air compressor and we'll get this all cleaned up. Alright, so I got everything unplugged, and honestly, with how much room is in between my cards, I don't really think that I'm gonna need to take the cards out, because, let me grab this. This is what I'm gonna be using to spray, and this will easily fit in between all of that, and it has a curved nozzle and a swivel mount, so I don't think I'll have to disassemble it, and this should be pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my air compressor and wait for that to get filled up to around 90 psi, and then we will start the cleaning process. Alright, so this thing is actually pretty loud, so I'm just gonna kind of just show me cleaning this off. That way you guys don't have to hear this really loud noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, so now that all four of my GPUs are air dusted and all that, it's now time to focus on the cooling fans, the CPU fan, and the power supply. Looks like a bunch of jumble of wires, but I'm gonna go ahead and start dusting that now. Alright, well it's done, so time to release the pressure. This will be loud. Now it's time to reassemble the rig, so let's get started with that. Alright, so everything is officially all cleaned up. So let's go ahead and power this on. It's gonna take a little bit for the rig to boot up, but we'll just let it do its thing, and then we should see it pop up on the laptop over here. So I'll be back once that pops up. Alright, so the fan's kicked up speed now. So let's try to check the laptop really quick. Alright, as you can see, it's online. This might be a little blurry, but gonna go ahead and open up the console. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in really quick. And now let's type miner-show. See if it's mining, and it looks like it is mining. So yeah, now the mining rig is all up and running. 120 mega hashes, and hopefully we get some better performance and temps now that it is dust free. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my 6-month mining rig update. If you guys want to remotely manage your mining rig, I highly recommend checking out my video, link in the description and also at the end of the video, for how to set up and configure Rave OS. It's a life changer for mining rigs. And yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Anyways, I hope you liked the video, and thank you guys so much for watching.